The Muskogee Cool Leather Jacket for Men features TFL Cool System technology to reflect up to 80% of the sun's heat, keeping you cooler as you ride. 2 front chest intake combination vents pockets along with 2 vertical rear exhaust vents keep you cool, while zippered sleeve vents allow more airflow and cooling. The removable, insulated, fully sleeved warm liner has a built-in pocket for most mobile devices. Removable or upgradable EVA foam armor in the shoulders, elbows, and back provides protection. Zippered side gussets offer an adjustable fit and added freedom of movement in the riding position. Reflective piping on the front and back provide increased visibility, while a snap-down Mandarin collar provides a secure, comfortable fit. Several exterior and interior storage pockets give you plenty of storage space. The Muskogee Cool Leather Jacket for Men is available in sizes 40 to 54 and includes a 2-year manufacturer's warranty.